Yeah, one step at a time. Go. Right, easy. Okay. Why, you don't like the new year? You don't like 2022? Do you have the Omicron?
Kervin did that.
This Omicron is getting into our nerves. We have to be correct, it's getting into our lungs and heart. Anyway, we're here in Antipolo. We're supposed to go to Bataan, but a lot of things happened, so we didn't push through. But we're finally going to BarrCamp. And after BarrCamp, it's gonna be a short run just today, just to take it easy, you know, because a lot of us haven't been running for quite some time. So after BarrCamp, we go back to our cars, and then we're gonna go to Tanay, camp there, just to, you know, maximize the weekend. So it's been a while since most of us actually went outdoors. So here we are.
So I got hit by the vid like 2 weeks ago. I was out bad. I'm not sure if I got Delta or Omicron. It was worse, the fevers and everything. So I felt like the world was really going down for me. But thankful to have another opportunity to get out to the trails, breathe some fresh air for once again, and you know, gotta work it out again. Just because we fall down doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna be knocked out. We're going up. Well, literally, we're going uphill. So, shit.
Yeah. Except it's video. Video.
Kasama pa ako dyan.
Oh, yan. Oh. Kasama sa video.
Hi, Nomad! Is that a video?
Oo.
Video.
Video.
Haba-haba lang strong.
Okay, ingat. Enjoy.
Dito na lang ako. May English class kami mamaya. Slow runner, way.
Never have eye contact while eating banana.
Or close your eyes and don't close your eyes when eating banana also.
Tanay. Also, it's gonna be in my whole knee. Yeah. Just that.
Okay, we just reached BarrCamp. Actually, we just left BarrCamp. 8 kilometers from the jump off. It was nice. The trails, first time we were here. It's not single track, but enough for motorcycles to pass through. We've seen locals, we've seen other resorts along the way too. So surprisingly, it's not as hidden as we thought. Locals are aware of this place, and we've seen some runners too. Surprisingly, it's getting more attention. We're going back. It's gonna be a steep uphill, and it's gonna be hot. And welcome back, Beef.
Back from the dead.
Back from long vacation.
Yep, definitely.
Yes.
Oh, Delta.
It's not the Omicron.
Delta Airlines.
Delta Airlines. Okay, so going back now, Kinapuin, we're just doing a short workout today and then head to the camp later. And tomorrow again, we're gonna do a mountain hike or run, whatever. It's gonna be an epic weekend.
Definitely. Lots of uphills. I'm using the poles again, all the way down. Whew. We ran all of this going down, so time to suffer going up.
All the same.
Awesome. I don't know. What's up, mate? Congrats, mate.
Oh man, crazy.
Day 2. We just had our breakfast. The sausage omelette. Sorry, my brain is still warming up. Still here in Dagatan campsite. It's almost 6 a.m. Still dark, but we still have to walk a kilometer or so to the trailhead, then go to the summit of Paliparan, go down to Toy community, and then to the falls, TungTong Falls, and then come back here, have our lunch, and then head out to Manila.
Our days have just begun. New pages to be drowned. I remember all the years that came before I first saw your light. Every memory call it